that Iran is not like the failed experiments of the past, but a strong, proud nation rooted in 2,500 years of greatness, ready to return to its rightful place among the nations. My friends, many people in Iran and around the world have been asking whether the regime has weathered the latest storm, whether despite the devastating blows it has suffered, it will be able to regroup and survive. My answer to this is no. We are past this point. The only question is when and how it will fall and what will come next. The regime is weak and divided. It is turning on itself and fragmenting, and thousands of its leaders and personnel in the security services are offering to defect. Its proxies, Hamas, Hezbollah, and the Houthis, have their backs to the wall. Assad has fallen. It is more isolated internationally than at any point in recent history. The Iranian people are bravely challenging its rule across the country, growing bolder every day. The opposition is more united and determined. Munich showed this, and we have a clear plan and organization. But I want to be clear. While the regime is weak and vulnerable, it will only finally fall if the Iranian people rise up once again. They know the future of Iran is in their hands. My job, with many of you here today, is to make sure the conditions for success are stacked in their favor, and to ensure we have a clear plan for the transition to democracy and economic recovery. I feel optimistic we will succeed, but not complacent. We need to be disciplined and determined. I pledge to fight shoulder to shoulder with all of you until Iran is finally free.